What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Terra. Another update. As you can see, the new one has been listed, however it still hasn't been launched yet, so market data is on track. The original Terra has been rebranded to Terra Classic, and new chain is created with the existing Terra name. Click here for an official announcement regarding the migration. So obviously it is on CoinMarketCap right now, but it hasn't been fully listed. So what we're going to be going for today is Terra 2.0 a high risk? Should you invest into it? Should you avoid it? Should you not buy it? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, looking at what people are saying, what online data is saying, what my researchers are saying as well, and looking at, should you buy more of Luna 2.0, should you avoid it, or should you just hold on to what you've got at the moment, and also going through the latest updates and latest news on Luna and what is going on with this crypto, and when is it going to be officially, officially available for us to buy it. But before I get into all of that stuff, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can take part by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, the trading volume has gone down massively. Let me just change this to USD just to make it a little bit more clear. As you can see, it's gone all the way down to 127 million. It was fluctuating about 1 billion, 1.5 billion 2 to 3 days ago, but obviously because it's being renamed to the Terra Classic, more and more people are just holding on to it rather than investing into it right now. So again, before I go any further, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So Terra 2.0 launch price, what is Luna price on day one, and obviously we'll get into that later on in the video. Let's start off with this one. So Luna 2.0 is about to launch. What you need to know after Terra USD spectacular collapse. So weeks after Terra blockchain collapsed and Terra USD lost its peg to the dollar, a new iteration is set to launch. Obviously not everyone is sold. The only reason for that is because of what happened to Terra Luna. This is obviously on a new blockchain, so on and so on. Not many people know what to do. There is still a high risk for everyone. Even the CEO himself doesn't know if it's going to be a success or it's going to be a fail. So we're only going to find out, and that is why not many people are investing into it, especially that Luna was one of the top 10 cryptos, and the way it collapsed. Obviously 2.0 can it happen again to 2.0, so on and so on. So it's what's 2.0 Luna 2.0? It's a fork of the original Luna blockchain, which will see the launch of a coin named Luna. Doesn't Luna coin exist already? Yes. So on. What about the airdrop? An airdrop in crypto terms is when coins are given away for free, usually for promotional purposes to generate interest in the coin. The new Luna will airdrop to existing owners of the old Luna coin, now Luna Classic, and to the owners of the Terra USD, which lost its peg to the dollar, leading to its collapse. How much new Luna will it get? We've already gone through this. When is the launch, which is the main question? May the 28th, which is tomorrow, 6 AM UTC and 2 AM EST. Anything else to note? After the spectacular collapse and the original Luna a few weeks ago, which wiped out people's life savings, absolutely true. Again, luckily I wasn't heavily invested into Luna, and it's not a crypto that yes, I did have it, but not too much. I wasn't worried too much about it, but yeah, people who have invested millions and billions into this, yeah, they're majorly down at the moment. Many are wondering why anyone would, with this new iteration, a chance. Add Mark Cuban to that list. The billionaire and avid crypto investor told Fortune he'll not be investing in the new Terra chain. When asked if he would invest, he answered a simple no, which again answers, which makes people question, when someone like Mark Cuban says no, he's not going to invest in Terra Luna, it makes you question, should I invest into it? When people like Mark Cuban are not investing into it, why should I invest into it? Why should I, put my money at risk into Terra 2.0? And that is one of the reasons why it's a very, very high risk. Myself, I won't be investing into it straight away. I'll see how it goes, do my research, do my reading on it, and then we'll have a look. But at the moment, yeah, I'm not even thinking about investing into Terra 2.0. Yesterday we said 2.0 is coming live. Tomorrow it arrives. When was this posted? Yes, today even, sorry. The community has been working around the clock to coordinate the new chain's launch. Subject to potential change, we expect Terra to go live tomorrow around 6 AM UTC. So yeah, This is one news article. Then other article says new Terra blockchain launch expected Saturday with Luna airdrop to follow. So obviously that's what we've just read. in the last article, hold of Luna. So yeah, we've already gone through that. So let's have a look more into this one here. So there was something about Mark Cuban here as well. Mark Cuban plans to invest in Terra 2.0. No, he doesn't. Let's have a look what this article is telling us. It's showtime tomorrow as 2.0 is set to launch, yeah, so on and so on. Read here to know the full list of exchanges. I've already gone through that in my previous video. This is the main part. Also, ace investor and billionaire Mark Cuban was asked if he would invest in Luna 2.0, and his answer was blunt and to the point with a no, which is absolutely crazy at the moment. And I'm pretty sure Do1 will not be very happy with that, because obviously not only has Do1 lost money and his respect and the trust and so on, he's trying to make back his own money as well with 2.0. And when people like big investors like Mark Cuban are saying no, it's, it makes him think, okay, this is going to affect his Terra Luna 2.0 launch very, very badly, because when someone like that says no, everyone else is very, very likely to follow him as well. Mark Cuban revealed that he never invested in Terra USD and Luna in the past and will not invest now either. Not involved at all. Never have owned any, he told Fortune. When pressed why he decided not to invest in Luna 2.0, Cuban hinted that it's not a sustainable product. Crypto is like investing in any other business. You look to see if it's a sustainable product or service. So again, guys, he wasn't invested in Luna himself in the first place anyway. Even though it was one of the top 10 cryptos, he did not invest, and that makes it even worse, guys, because it's like he knew, even though he didn't know it, it looks like he knew it from the start that it's not a sustainable project. So it's like, yeah, he's basically saying Luna, the original Luna Classic, is not a sustainable product, and Luna 2.0 is not sustainable either. So yeah, let me know what you guys think after watching this video. What do you guys think? Are you going to be investing in Luna 2.0 or not? I've seen a lot of comments as well as a lot of DMs saying, it's a very high risk, you're not going to invest into it, so on and so on. So I'm assuming most of you guys will not be investing into it. I myself won't be investing into it either. The Terra ecosystem has not passed the test of being sustainable for the Shark Tank investor. He's staying away from it despite being heavily invested in cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Dogecoin and many others, which so far have survived and are doing quite, even though they have crashed, overall they are doing quite well, for the long term as well. But yeah, 2.0 just had a major flop. Nobody knows how Luna 2.0 will perform in the indices, but the crypto will be viewed with eagle eyes, while a group of investors plans to go all in to reap the rewards. The others are skeptical. Many still believe Luna 2.0 can spectacularly crash like its predecessors, Luna Classic, and wipe out their investment. Moreover, the new version of Luna will be seen as a test of Do1's mettle. A dip in price will be seen as a dip in his reputation, and a spike in price will be seen as his comeback. Luna 2.0 is now synonym with Do1, and the two cannot do away without being connected to each other. In conclusion, if Luna 2.0 becomes a success, it will be arguably the biggest comeback in the history of cryptocurrency, which I highly doubt that will become a success. But again, I'm not trying to put any of you off, or I'm not telling you guys to invest or whatever it is. Make sure to do your own research, but yeah, as I mentioned, I won't be investing into it right now. And again, if you guys want to find out what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling, and want regular price updates and predictions on cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, all you need to do is click on the link in the description box down below to join my Telegram group chat, which is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount here is only valid for the first 100 members, and over half the spaces have already gone, because once I get 100 members, I'm going to increase the price to $29.99. But don't worry, for the 100 members that join at $14.99, it will stay at that price for as long as you stay a member. Any questions, any queries you guys may have, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, if you're ready to sign up, then yes, the link is in the description box down below. But yeah, that is pretty much it. The latest updates on Luna, as I mentioned, is a very high risk, so make sure you're very cautious on what you do and how much you invest. Do not invest more than what you can afford to lose. Personally, if I had to even about $100 to invest into it, I'll probably put it into another crypto for now anyway, but we're gonna have to wait and find out. Comment down below what your predictions are and what your takes are. Will you guys be investing, yes or no? Do you think it's a risk, or do you think it's safe? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it guys for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. If any of you guys want to take part in the 50k subscriber giveaway, which I'll be picking the winners in exactly a week's time, so next Friday is when I'm going to be picking the winners. And again, there's going to be 9 lucky winners winning cryptocurrencies, so make sure you stay tuned on my Instagram for more details regarding the giveaway. But I've already made a video on how you can enter it, fully explained. The link to that video will also be in the description box down below, and it's already on my Instagram as well, so make sure you go check that out. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. My next target is obviously 100k subscribers, so it'd mean a lot if you guys can please hit that subscribe button. And daily updates are coming on Terra Luna, like you guys have requested for. I'm uploading twice a day on Luna, or even 3 times sometimes, depending on if there are any major updates or news that can have a potential impact on the value of Luna. But again, make sure to subscribe, like, share, comment, and all of that stuff. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.